Accidents involving leased cars. When you lease a car, you don't automatically become the owner of the vehicle, as it still belongs to the company that has leased the car to you. However, you may have the option to purchase the vehicle once the lease has expired. This means that if you don't own the car that you are leasing and it's involved in an accident, it can be hard to determine what you should do next. When an accident has occurred. If you were involved in an accident while you were driving your leased car, you should refer to the lease agreement, as this will tell you what you need to do. The company who leased the car will need to make a record of any damage the car has sustained. This means you will probably need to get the car inspected, and you will need to do this at a service center the leasing company has designated. This will ensure that the damage is assessed, and it's likely to be assessed by someone the leasing company has employed. The assessment will help the leaseholder to determine how much it will cost to repair the car and how much insurance may need to be paid. Leased cars and car insurance. Once the car has been inspected, the damage report has been received, and the estimate for the cost of repairs has also been determined, you may receive some money to help you get the car repaired. The amount of money you receive will be determined by working out what the deductible is, and taking that amount from the estimated cost of repairs. Let's imagine that your leased car has sustained $2,500 worth of damage, and your deductible is $700. You will receive $1,800 to repair the car. However, if it is found that another driver was at fault for the accident, you may receive the full $2,500 from their insurance carrier. Please note that if you have been injured in an accident that was caused by another driver, their insurance company will have to pay for any medical treatment you need. Please speak to a personal injury lawyer as soon as you can. State laws and auto insurance. Under state law, every driver is required to carry a specific minimum of auto insurance. However, when it comes to leased cars, the driver has to carry auto insurance that is above those minimum requirements, and this includes comprehensive and collision coverage. Insurance such as this should ideally be used even if the leasing company does not state that you need to do this as part of the terms of the lease, especially as you are not the owner of the vehicle. Totaled leased cars. If your leased car has been totaled in an accident, the individual who has been found responsible for the accident will need to ask their insurance company to pay for the car's actual cash value, rather than the cost of repairs to the car. Please read our article about actual cash value for more information. If the car's value is not enough to cover the cost of the remainder of the lease, it would be helpful if you had gap insurance. If you had gap insurance, the insurance company is likely to pay the amount of money between what the insurance company has decided it is worth, and how much money you have left to pay on the lease. Without gap insurance, it's likely that you may have to pay the money left on the lease, even if the car has been totaled. The good news is that some leaseholders ask that you purchase gap insurance as part of the agreement, meaning you'll always be covered. If you have been involved in a car accident whilst driving a leased car, please speak to a lawyer as soon as you can.